Hey, welcome back to Chick&Bees. It's the end of January. We're getting ready to get the season stirred up. So even though my sugar brick in here is not completely dissolved, this is bee bread. And it's like a pollen substitute. So the queen will begin to start laying. If pollen is coming in, that's a good indicator to her. It has been so cold here this last week that the bees, I'm sure, have done nothing. And it's starting to sprinkle, so I'm going to be quick about this because they don't care for rain. Okay, so they're out and about. Don't want to get stung. I'm not really sure what they're doing down there. But I'm going to leave this bee bread right here and put them back. And they're going to get me because it's raining and they're pissed. And I'm going to hurry. Please don't sting me. Please don't sting me. Okay, we're out.